Good morning, students. I hope you guys are fine. So we are going to see lesson 2, addition and subtraction. The very last topic, subtraction with zeros. Okay, let's see how to do subtractions with zeros. So let's move on to the very first example, 4000 minus 1237. Okay, so first move to our example. Before that, you want to know the place value. Okay, what is the place value of this first number? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. I'm right? Yes. So here also ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay. First, so here write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay. Now we are going to arrange this number here. Always remember, write the biggest number first, smallest number next. Okay, how to write? Write from your right to left. 0, 0, 0, 4. What's the next number? 7, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so put a subtraction symbol. Okay guys, up to this are we clear? We are just arranging the numbers according to the place values. Okay, let's see how to do the subtraction with zeros. So this is ones place. I am right. Ones place contains 0. So we can't do. Is it possible to subtract 0 minus 7? No. 0 is smaller, 7 is bigger. So we can able to subtract bigger number from smaller. It is possible. Is it possible to subtract 0 minus 7? No. So anyhow we want to make this number as bigger. So what we want to do? Borrow it from the neighbor. So here also, so come to the neighbor of ones. Here also 0. Here also 0. So we can't borrow from tens and hundreds. So we can able to borrow from 1000. So borrow 1 from the 1000 to the ones. Okay. So we are going to borrow. Cut the 4. We are going to borrow 1. So 4 minus 1, it is 3. So 3. Here we are borrowing 2 ones. I am right. So it comes as 10. Okay. In between the numbers, don't worry. Write cut and write us. Here 10 means, what's the next previous number of 10? 9. Here also write the same number as 9. Okay. Guys, are we clear? Why? Because here in ones place 0 is here. We can't subtract 0 minus 7. So we are planned to borrowing from the neighboring numbers. So tens place also 0 we can't borrow. 100 place also 0, 0 we can't borrow. We are moving to 1000. So 1000, what's the number? 4 is there. 4. So I am borrowing one number. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. So this 1 will come to the ones place. So it becomes 10. Always remember 10. Okay, so the previous number of 10, what is the previous number of 10? 9. So give 9 to the both numbers. Okay, now do the subtraction. What is 10 minus 7? 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the remaining number? 7. So what is the answer? 3. Sorry. 10 minus 7, what's the answer, ma? 3. Okay, 9 minus 3, what's the answer? 9 in hand. Subtract 3, what's the answer? It is 6. Again, 9 minus 2, it is 7. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Okay. So you can cross check your answer whether your subtraction is right or wrong. You know what is the first row is called? What's the name of the first row? It is called minuend. You learned this thing previously. This is called subtrahend. I am right. This is called difference. So after doing this subtraction, if you want to cross check, you just add this 2 steps. Okay, add this 2 steps. You will get this answer. Okay, so let's check. Okay, 7 plus 3. So what is 7 plus 3, ma? It is 10. 0. So 7 plus 3, what's the answer? 0. So remaining 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, again 10. 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 7, 10, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So you will get the minuend as answer. So your subtraction is correct. Okay guys. Let's move to one more example. So again, always remember the question. Whenever you saw this question like this, please remember guys, subtract 56,789 from 1 lakh. So the number comes after the from, you should write first. Okay, number comes after the from, you should write first. Write the 1 lakh here minus. What is the next number? So write from your right to left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Just subtract this. So here also 0. Start with 0. We can't subtract 0 minus 10. So what do you want to do? Borrow from the neighbor. Here also. Here 1s, 0. 1s place, 10s place, 100 place, 1000s place, 10,000 place also 0. So you can move to the next place. This is a lakh. So borrow from this lakh place. Okay. Cut and write here 0. If 1 is there, I am taking 1 from that. Now remaining what is there? 0. So answer is here 0. Okay. Now this 1's place become what ma? Now what comes? So I am borrowing 1 from this lakh. Here I am cut and write here 0. So 1 will come here in 1's place. This is 1's place na. So 10 minus 10, what is the answer? This 1. So what will come here? Here cut and write 9. Here cut and write 9. Here also 9. Here also 9. Okay. 9 minus 8. What is 9 minus 8? It is 1. 9 minus 7. 2. 9 minus 6. 3. 9 minus 5. 4. Okay. This is the answer. Now we can cross check. Add these two steps. Okay. 9 plus 1. It is 10. 8 plus 1. 9. 9 plus 1. 10. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. We get the answer. So this subtraction is correct. Okay guys. Let's move on to the properties of subtraction. Okay. First, the first property, when 1 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. This is the example 23,659 minus 1. This is the given example. Predecessor means always remember, come to this example 9. Given number is 9. Okay, I am considering this number 9. What is the predecessor of this number? Previous number. This is 8. Successor means you should add 1. This is 9 plus 1, 10. So pre means what ma? My subtract 9 minus 1, 8. Successor means plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So, what is the predecessor of this 23,659? So, answer is just minus 1. So, 23,659 minus 1 is 23,658. Okay. What is the very next property? When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, if you are subtract my question, subtract 0 from 6. So how to write? The number comes after the from, you should write first. So 6 minus 0, what is the answer? 6. So this is the answer. Okay. This is the property we explained here. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. 23,656 minus 0. So, 23,659 minus 0 gives what ma? 23,659. Okay, same number. Okay, move on to the next property. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, that itself means we want to take the same number, subtract from the same number. For example, when 7 is subtracted from the number itself means write 7 minus 7. What will get? 0. Okay. That is 23,659 minus 23,659. What is the answer ma? 0. Okay guys. Now guys, come to this textbook exercise problem. Okay. So under the properties of subtraction, we have some 4 more examples. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, first example, 44,256 minus 1. So this is regarding the first property. Okay, when 1 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the predecessor. What is the predecessor of this number? Just before number. Okay, just before number. Okay, so 44,526 minus 1 gives what, ma? This is 44,526 minus 1. Okay, so what is the answer? 44,525. This is the answer. Okay, come to the next example. Second, this is regarding second property. When 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. When a number is subtracted, a 0 is subtracted from the number. Okay, I am going to subtract this number with 0. So what will get the same answer? This is second property. Okay guys, so third example. 39,852 minus 39,852. What it gives? 0. When you are subtracting, when a number is subtracted from the number itself, the difference is 0. So 0 is the answer. Okay, here the answer is B. Here the answer is 0. Okay guys, I hope you guys understand this concept clearly. Okay, thank you.